bus 945. So today is Sunday. What date? 28?
27
Okay, 27 of
November.
November 2022. So actually we plan to go to Jurong Bird Park. The reason is because Jurong Bird Park will be moving to Mandai in January, on January next year. So they are now giving a promotion of just $10 per person for Singapore resident people to visit the park. So we'll be going to West Mall first, having breakfast with mommy. After that, then the two of us will go to Jurong Bird Park using MRT and bus. So see you there. So we go towards Jurong East, right?
Yeah. Wait, is that going there?
No, that's going to Woodlands. Wow, this is one of the newer trains.
Class 357. Just kidding.
What did you say?
It looked like a Class 357.
Oh.
Yeah, it did look like a Class 357.
Yeah, sit down here.
This train service will end
The train.
Jurong East.
Hopefully the train will wait for us.
Train can't really wait.
No, it's closing. The train is closing. Okay, let's just sit down here. Indi, this way. Okay, go. Okay, just sit then, if you want. bus interchange is via Jurong Point, so we have to go via Jurong Point. Yeah. Okay guys, so we are now at Boon Lay MRT station, next to the Jurong Point shopping center. So the reason why we're going here is because we want to go to Jurong Bird Park, which is one of the oldest tourist attraction here in Singapore. It has been open, I think, since I was young, when I was little. So it is one of the oldest, and because Jurong Bird Park is being managed by the Mandai Wildlife Reserve, the company that is also managing Singapore Zoo and Night Safari. So they'll be going to move to, okay, now we have to get 194. Let me check. Hey? Yes, but why it is not here? Oh, B8. Let's go. They're going to move to Mandai. So Jurong Bird Park will be relocated to Mandai on January next year. So right now they are actually having some kind of a closing promotion. So for Singapore residents, people will just have to pay $10 instead of the usual 38 or something dollars to enter the bird park. So yeah, so that's where we are going. So how to reach to Jurong Bird Park is that we have to take MRT to Boon Lay MRT station, and then from there, from the MRT station we walk through Jurong Point shopping center towards this nice air-conditioned bus terminal or bus interchange. If you see there, this bus interchange is directly connected to Jurong Point, so it's very convenient. So we'll be taking bus 194 to the bird park.
3 minutes.
3 minutes. Okay, the bus will be here in 3 minutes. Yes, this is the bus. Yeah, double decker. Empty. Yay. Okay, let's go. Okay. Have you been here before?
I don't remember.
I can't remember. Okay, so we're at Jurong Bird Park now. The one that will be closing soon.
Huh? 37?
Days, yes, to the closing. "37 days to Jurong Bird Park closing." Oh, there's a cafe here. I think I need to go to the toilet first. If you see toilet, let me know. Okay, let's go. How do you know? Do you see the...
Sign.
Oh,
Sign.
oh, okay. Yes, let's go. Tickets online through Klook. So I already have my ticket. Indi, you also have your ticket.
Yeah.
So let's go. You might need to zoom the ticket. Okay, this is the penguin coast exhibit. Wow. The penguins are mainly over this side. Let's go over this side. Go, go, go. Yeah, I see. Yeah. I think you need to go up to see. Here, Indi. Climb here. Climb. Okay, there you can see, right? Don't use flash. Yeah, that one. No. This one. They cannot fly, but they are good swimmers. There are different type of penguins, right? You can see, right? There's a small one. No, that's a bird. Do we want to take the tram or just walk? It looks quite long. Walk.
I think right there. The next tram station is here.
Yeah.
Exit will be on this way, right? Thank you.
This is. Oh my god, very nice color. Hawk Arena Breeding and Research Center. Let's go. Raptor Retirement Aviary. Wow. Oh, Kings of the Sky Show later here.
Dude, we good?
Yes.
No, okay. But it's still nice to see all of you here despite the weather. Now, my name is Daria and welcome to the Kings of the Sky's annual presentation. Now everyone, meet Nelson, our white-bellied sea eagle. White-bellied sea eagles, they can be found throughout Southeast Asia and they are the largest bird of prey right here in Singapore. Now they are known to snatch venomous banded secrets from the surface of the water. So if you're wondering what it is, it's a species of a highly venomous sea snake. So in a very short while, Nelson will be demonstrating that snatch, but before that, he's going to make a flight right across the top of your head, so watch out for him. Here he comes. There you go. So here with me I have a replica of such prey. Now keep your eyes on him, it's going to happen really quick. Here he goes, diving down on a great snatch. Let's give him a big hand, everyone. Well done, Nelson. Now birds of prey, the venomous banded sea cranes or even fish? Well, the answer, it lies beneath their feet. So sea eagles, they have very rough undersides, and this allows them to get that good grip over their slippery catch. Now the young white-bellied
Sure.
Now turkey vultures, they can be found from Canada all the way down to the tip of South America. And they are the most numerous of vulture species in the world, numbering way over 7 million in the wild. So the turkey vultures, they've got a keen sense of smell. This means they are usually the first to detect and descend upon a carcass. And by doing so, these birds, they would act as a smoke signal for the other species of vultures to follow suit. Now even though the turkey vultures are the first to reach a carcass, there you go. Thank you very much, Zena, with turkey vulture, everyone. Well, the owl will be making a low flight down. Just a gentle reminder for everyone, please remain seated. Here he comes.
Ooh,
There
nice.
you go.
Nice
Now,
feather.
did everyone know that owls are also known as silent hunters? And why is this so? Because owls have very soft edges at the tip of their wing feathers. Which is why even when they flap their wings, there isn't any sound at all. The sound frequencies will be absorbed by those feathers. But why do they need to do so? Or why do they need to be so stealthy? Because owls hunt for rodents, and rodents have an acute sense of hearing, which is why the owl has to be very quiet in order to catch its prey. So that's why they are also known as okay, that was pretty far.
Yeah.
If you did that, let's do take two. Right up here, and there you go, very smooth snatch. Now not only that, these birds are able to snatch food in mid-air as well. So we're tossing a few pieces of meat into the air for Parker. Let's see how many of these throws can he catch. Starting with number one. Very nice acrobatic in the air. Okay, number one, very nice. Let's see if he can go 2 for 2. Okay, he's thinking about it. Ensuring the coast is clear. Okay, here he comes. Ooh.
Oh, he missed.
That was pretty awkward, Parker. I think I did a bad throw, so he decided to go back inside. I'm sorry, would you like to make another entrance? Come on, I'll make up for it, I swear. Parker, let's give him some time, okay? Former stars of our show, and they have since retired and are enjoying the rest of their lives in there with their other friends. So we care for these birds, whether they're young or still performing or have.
What is that?
Good afternoon, Ganges. Hello. Now, Himalayan griffon vultures, they can be found in the higher regions of the Himalayas. Some migrating juveniles heading south happen to have lost their way and have ended up in various parts of Asia. So Ganges, he happens to be one of them. He was found weak and dehydrated along the shopping districts of Orchard Road. Now that was back in 2005. So we rescued him,
Older than me.
nursed him back to great health. Don't you think he was very strong and healthy?
Yes.
He is a survivor after all. Now thank you very much for joining us, Genghis. Why don't you head back home, all the way there. Thank you very much, Genghis, our Himalayan griffon vulture, everyone. Now our next group of birds joining us.
Wow, so many. They have to.
Is he even supposed to get out? Oh, yeah.
Now, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are now joined by our group of scavengers. So the two big brown ones, now those are the cinereous vultures, which can be found in Europe and Asia. The lovely lady right up the back, the bird I mean, or the trainer, now that is a marabou stork, and they're also known as the old man storks. So if you take a closer look at them, you'd probably get the idea. Now it is a common sight to see these, oh wait, last but not least, our dear king vulture, which can be found in the Americas. Now, It is a common sight to see these birds coexist together when feeding on a large carcass, just like the one right over there. You see vultures, they are very important to our ecosystem because they help to reduce the spread of contagious diseases by feeding on carrion. Now, unfortunately, the world's vulture population numbers have been rapidly declining due to several threats such as poaching, deforestation, and deliberate poisoning. But in good news, in countries such as India, Cambodia, and some parts of Africa have already banned the use and distribution of diclofenac, a veterinary medicine which is fatal to these vultures. And on our part, what we can do for these birds is to research more about vultures and help out in any vulture conservation projects out there. So together, we can protect wildlife. Now with that said, now after having seen all these birds of prey flown here today, I'm sure you would agree that they certainly deserve and merit the title, The Kings of the Skies. Thank you very much. I hope you've enjoyed the presentation as much as we've enjoyed in presenting it to you. Now when you're leaving the Hawk Arena, please do be extra careful. The stairs are pretty wet. So please do not slip on your way out and do not hurry out, okay? So with that, I hope you have a wonderful day right here in the Jurong Bird Park. Thank you for being here and I'll see you around. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye. Thank you. Eggs. Weaning room. What's a weaning room? What's weaning? I'm also not too sure. The Weaning Aviary. Chicks from the nursery are transferred to this Weaning Aviary when they reach 3 to 4 months old. Weaned off hand feeding and given solid food. I see. Ah, nice. Okay, let's go to the food preparation. Jangan. This is the nursery. Incubation room. And a playground, a water playground actually. Quite nice. I didn't know if Bird Park has this water playground also. Splash zone. Oh, there's another amusement park here. I mean amusement ride here. Can you hold this for me first? Yeah, thank you. Yeah.
This is normal slide.
We want to go to the play, the wet one.
Wait, that's a swing, but it's a baby swing.
Yes. Come. Okay. Again. There's gravity, right? Easier. Just nice. Okay. Okay, let's go. Flamingo. Oh, this is the pool. Yeah, lesser flamingo. I'm not sure what does lesser means.
Lesser pink.
Could
But
be.
they are less pink.
Indi, if you want to take photo from this angle, okay, let's go. This side. Be smelly. The flaming.
I think that's another cafe.
Another cafe. So many cafes here. We don't have to go out. There's a tram. Greater Flamingo. Okay, let's go. There's a boardwalk here. Nice. Okay, not really too slippery, so it's okay.
There's what pelican.
Very big bird. No lah, that's a... No, I mean that one.
Yeah, I know, but oh my god. Spider-Man. Here comes the Spider-Man. Okay, we can sit down here.
Do you want ice cream?
We are here.
Oh, we are at Pelican Cove. Nice. Wait, we go this way. Parrot Paradise. Wow. Hi, Parrot. Hello.
Very cute.
Oh, there. It's coming again. Wow, this one is colorful. Are you okay?
Yeah.
Okay. You look like tired. A bit? Or not tired at all? Yeah, I want to touch the. Careful, it might
Yeah, you might scratch me.
not scratch. Using the like that. What do we call it? Peck,
Poke.
peck. Yeah.
Oh, pet my.
Oh, I cannot see. Oh, the color I cannot see. Oh, this one we saw it right here. Waterfall of the Fury. Have you been here before? Oh yes. Let's go. Okay, let's go. That's the waterfall. Oh. So many birds above us. Hello. Sorry. Hello. Okay, let's go. Let's go to the observation post 2. Okay, let's take the easier path. Can you imagine that we have this kind of...
Why don't we do the steep part?
I don't want. More tough. It's more tough, you know, you cannot. You have... You just had your booster, so you have... That could be three nose, is it? Stray nose for you. You want to take a picture? Hold the handrail. Wow. Indi, let's hear. Later we go down also. Wow. Observation post 1? Yes or no?
Yeah, that's the steep. Wait, which one is the steep?
This is the steep one.
Okay, that's